Hey, y'all, I'm not going to be on there for too long because my show is on. The Masked Singer, I done missed the last 2 weeks of it. Um, and I need to get on and it started. And so I just wanted to hop right in right quick and just talk to y'all a little bit about my week. I got Panda Express. I got Panda Express here. This is the super greens with the Shanghai beef. My Sprite. Oh gosh, I done messed up my thing. My Sprite with extra ice, and then I got the fire roast chicken, whatever, I don't know, from Panda Express. And so, y'all, I am so tired. I had a long 2 weeks. I know I've been saying that on the last couple of Mukbang videos, but I went out of town not this past week, but the week before that. I got back in and hit the ground running all week. My son's what you call it, homecoming was all last week. They had festivities, and I was at each and every one of them. Friday was the game. Saturday I had a um Lula Roll party, which was very successful. If like 4 ladies showed up, made a little money. So I'm happy about that. So I had a long day just preparing for that. And then Saturday night was my son's homecoming dance. So we was over at the park um, Saturday night, along with a lot of other people who don't live in our development, using up our space, taking pictures. Um, and I thought by Sunday, once everything was over, I'd be able to rest, but my body is tripping because I've been falling asleep earlier than usual, but I've been waking up in the middle of the night and not been able to go back to sleep um, and get a sound sleep. So I'm just like really done right now and just tired. Um, I'm just hoping one night this week I can get a sound sleep and rest so I can recoup. Here's y'all bite. My TV is on, that's why y'all see all the lights flash in different colors. Um, and I just want to say in the beginning of this video, please, please, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment on my video and watch the video through. I don't think I'm that boring. I have good conversations. I'm not just y'all not just sitting here watching me eat. Either I'm talking about something or telling you what's going on with my week. Maybe some of y'all don't want to hear. Or talking to y'all about my son or whatever the case may be. But I always come to y'all with conversation. Y'all not just sitting here looking at me eat. And also too, by y'all thumbsing up my video and leaving a comment, YouTube won't be pushing my videos down in the analytics. And the reason why I know YouTube be pushing some of us that don't have little channels or don't have high view count or even thumbs up. I was watching Lovely T and she got almost 900,000 subs. She's been on YouTube forever. A lot of people started following her when she was doing natural hair vids. And then she got in the commentary. I think she has like 2 channels, but her main channel, she has almost 900,000 subs. She has thousands of likes, and even she said, "Please please give me that thumbs up on my video because if not, YouTube will push it way down in the analytics where people won't see it or get the notifications, and it won't get viewed." So, if she got almost 900,000 subs, and she does get high view counts like 30, 40, 50, 60,000 views, in the thousands with the likes up, and she say something like that, I know my little 2 likes and my 30 views probably don't even show up in the feed. So, that's why I'm asking you, please, when you come in, it's not asking too much. Just give me that thumbs up so, my videos could get in the feeds. But, yeah, I'm just like really tired this week. And hopefully I get some rest. My son got like 3 more games, including this week. Next week is senior night. So I have to think about what I want to do to decorate his locker on a senior night for the football boys, for the seniors only. Redecorate their lockers. Once we go home after football practice the night before the game. So next Thursday we'll be decorating their lockers next Thursday night, and they'll see it when they come in Friday. So I gotta sit here and think about what I want to do and go shop for my stuff to decorate his locker. Get some pictures printed, all that stuff. So I have a busy week coming up next week, and I actually need to get on the ball this week with preparing, getting all that stuff together. And I'm thinking about getting him something nice. I don't know. I'll see. We don't spend enough money on that boy. But that's basically what this week and next week is looking like. I can say praise the Lord, no more faraway games. All of their games are within, now I want to say like 30 to 40 minutes from where we live. No more 3-hour one-way trips to these schools. But on another note, in November, basketball starts for him, so they go straight into basketball. But I heard we only got 2 games. That's far. So I think last year was their traveling year, and this year is not for basketball. But with basketball, it's 2 games a week. So then also, I want to say the middle of November, I think he's doing 2 or 3 more of his official visits to these schools. So I'm still going to be kind of ripping and running with him between basketball, 2 games a week, and then going on these official visits from Friday to Sunday, going out of town, because he's looking to sign in December. So yeah, so that's basically what's on your girl's schedule. So I'm gonna get off of here on Wednesdays at 7 o'clock. The Masked Singer come on. It is very popular. I talked about it several times. People be on Twitter. This show is the bomb. You need to get with it if you ain't watching it. And with that being said, good night. Until next time, peace.